Welcome back everyone to another video. Now in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now where I live, this phone actually only released today. I pre-ordered it about 2 to 3 days ago and I already got it somehow. I was meant to get it next week, but it came today, so that's a good thing I guess. So I got the 256GB Phantom Black model. I was actually choosing between the Phantom Black and the burgundy color, but I ended up going with the Phantom Black color because my current phone, the S21 Ultra, I have that in Phantom Black and I quite like the colors, so I ended up going for that. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. So turning it around, as you can see, I did indeed get the 256GB Phantom Black. And yeah, I'm gonna quickly cut these seals here on the back. So let me do that right now. Okay, I can't get the second one. All right, there we go. All right, so I cut the seals. So now let's open this box and see the phone. I've never seen this phone in person before. So I guess this is like my first impressions. So let's open it and see what it looks like. All right, sliding this off. And there it is. All right, so it's not facing the back or the front or whatever. So here's the screen right here. And I will also compare it to my phone in a minute. I will also compare it to this Note 10 Plus that I have here as well. So yeah, let's pull this thing out. Wow. Okay, turning it around. Okay, wow. Yeah, I'll put this aside for now. So, all right. Yeah, actually, I'll put the phone aside for now, and then we'll take a look at the phone in a minute. I guess first we'll look what's inside of the box. So, I mean, it's nothing really. I guess it's just a SIM ejector tool and then the Type-C to Type-C chargers. So that's all you get in the box now with Samsung phones, but you know, it's whatever. All right, so yeah, I will quickly, actually, I guess I'll compare the boxes really quick as well, because I have the box from my old S21 Ultra here. So quite similar, except this one is obviously for the S22 Ultra, but they have really similar design, to be honest. But yeah, that's just the boxes. I thought I would compare these. All right, so here's the phone. Let's turn it around again. All right, yeah, I really like this. I do like the design of this. All right, so yeah, here's my S21 Ultra, and yeah, as you can see, they have changed the camera design a little bit. And I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then yeah, the screens as well. So yeah, let's pull this plastic off. And then I guess I'll take this sticker off as well. Okay, there we go. And that's at the back. Wow, that is gorgeous. And now, yeah, I guess I'll take the screen protector off for now. I did actually, I do have 2 cases ordered for this phone and a pack of screen protectors, but they won't be here till next week because, I mean, yeah, I guess they're just gonna be here next week. So I guess I'll take this off for now and then I'll put it back on after until I get my screen protector because I don't want to scratch the screen. But yeah, let's peel that off just for now. And here is the phone. Okay, wow. All right, yeah, so it also has the S Pen, so let's take a look at that. So yeah, it's the black S Pen. All the colors for this phone have the black S Pen. So yeah, that's that. I guess I'll try that out later as well. Oh yeah, also the plastic on the side. I forgot about this as well. Let me quickly peel this off if I can. All right, there we go. All right, yeah, I got it there. So, okay, that's only one of them. There's another one. All right, I think this is the next one here, or the last one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, well, there's another one. I probably should have paused this video to take these off, but yeah, I guess this is just gonna stay in the video now. Alright, let's peel this off. Okay, there's no way there's another one on this side. And of course there is. Okay, yeah, this is being really annoying. Alright, I almost have the last one off. Alright, and then there's the last one. Alright, so all of the plastics are now off of the phone. Here it is one more time. Alright, let's power it on for the first time. I was not able to say that for some reason. And it's not powering on. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I guess I'll quickly compare it to the Note 10 Plus as well. Yeah, so the screens are, I mean, on the screen it looks quite similar to the Note 10 Plus. I really like the new design of this phone, or not really the new design, but it has the the Note design with the squared off screen. And there it is. Okay, wow. So I guess I'll quickly set this phone up, and then I'll come back when I have it set up. Alright, so I have the phone set up now. As you can see, I don't have my stuff transferred onto it yet. I'll do that later. But while I was setting it up, I actually realized I left another bit of this plastic on the bottom. I didn't actually look at the bottom for some reason. So I guess I'll peel this off now, if I can again. Alright, there we go. And it's off. Okay, that's all of it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so that is all of it. So I have the phone set up now. And I have to say it's really nice. I really like this phone. I guess we'll quickly try out the S Pen as well. So yeah, we can. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, yeah, so yeah, I already know what to do with this. Can I just skip this? There we go. Alright, sweet. So let's just create a note, I guess. And yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't really know what else to really do with this. But yeah, I guess I will use the S Pen a decent amount of times as well. So yeah, I don't know what else really to do and what to really say about this phone. I do have two cases for this phone, that two cases and a screen protector for this phone, so that are meant to come next week. So whenever I get them, maybe I'll do like an unboxing on that as well. And I will obviously make a lot of videos with this phone as well. I'll obviously record videos and then make videos about this phone as well. So expect a lot of content about this phone. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to really say. I don't know, I guess I'll just compare it one more time to my phone. So it is, I mean, they do look quite similar. Not really. I mean, the camera's different, and then obviously this phone is like more squared off than this phone. This one's like more rounded off. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to really say. So I guess I'll just end the video here. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.